Good morning, guys. My name is Prathamesh, and you're watching Daily Vlogs. Today, since morning, I'm not feeling quite. I'm feeling bored actually. But I was also not in the mood to make vlog. Yeah, I was not in the mood to make a vlog, but yeah, I'm taking these things very seriously. The only thing that matters is how consistent you are in anything in your life. Be it gym, be it you name it. You gotta be consistent. Because that's that. I woke up at around 8. Then on this bench, I did some yoga. I did some crunches and some city yoga just to get my body in motion and wake up from the sleep. I'm still feeling sleepy. Yesterday night I was editing the vlog and I slept at around 2 a.m. Usually, back in the days, I used to be a night owl, but now, as I have started to wake up early, I be sleepy at very early in the morning, mostly at 12 or 1 a.m. I got to sleep. But yeah, that's that. Let's talk about today. Plan for the today is I'm gonna make some changes to the routine. Yeah, I will add more productive habits as well now. Smoking, yeah, yesterday I smoked at around 5, maybe 5 to 6 cigarettes. Yeah, I have to reduce it to almost none, guys, because cigarette is fucking my lungs so badly that mucus is getting out of hand. Yeah, my physical health I have ruined it to its worst. I will focus more on it, my physical strength and mental strength. Yeah, for which I need to lift some weight and keep on working. One thing I notice right now is that it's only the matter of you opening the camera and started talking. Because even if you don't do that, you will not gather enough motivation or anything to do that for you. My left hand is getting, numb. Not numb, but yeah, I'm starting to feel it heavier because you have to keep it all straight, holding camera. Yeah, so what I was talking is, yeah, motivation isn't real, guys. Execution and taking action, doing those things are real. Just shoot your shot, man. Just don't wait for no one. You're not here for anyone. I'm here for myself. You are there for yourself. Everybody lives for themselves. That's how the world is. That's how you gotta see the world as it is, not the way you want it to be. Because that's harsh reality. And the world today now is a world of and yeah, it's nice. It's very sunny outside. I will try to smoke. Maybe today's target is less than 5. Of course. And let's see. Workout, reads few pages. Get dehydrated. Get workout, strong intense workout, and go to temple and hygiene. And work. Since past days, I've not been trading, not even paper trading also, because I do my account. It's of the size 3000 almost. I lost all of that due to over trading, guys. Over trading sucks, man. If you're consistent with even small profits, in the long run you might get. It's not you will get profitable over the long term. But if you keep on getting over trading, there is no cure to that. There's no cure to over trading. If only there was, I'll be the first person to implement it. Yeah, there is that. You have that emotional strength to tell your mind to shut up and just follow the system. Yeah, that's that. When I will trade, I will talk that also. Yeah, guys, gotta go take a shower, get dressed, go to temple. Till then, guys, see you. Guys, got freshen up. Now I am going to temple. Before getting a shower, I was feeling kind of dull and lazy, but it's a nice thing that I incorporated that getting shower early daily first thing in the morning, because that gets you started for the day. Back in the days, not very long ago, last year only, I used to not even get shower for 1 or 2 weeks, guys. Don't even used to change my clothes. I was almost a beggar. Still I am when it comes to money, but yeah, I was looking like a beggar. Same spot here. All this terrace now it's looking clean, but everywhere there was literally butts of cigarettes. Every 1,000 maybe. When I recall those days, I feel so ashamed. But yeah, Here I had a boxing bag here at this spot. I will get a one. I used to do boxing here. I had a boxing bag here only, bro. This there was a angle there. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll that I just that 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 got destroyed and decomposed. I gotta order a new one. Yeah, boxing is meditative for me. Yeah, guys, that is it for now. I'll see you at the temple. Yeah. Guys, this is Kapileshwar temple. That's the beauty. That's Nandi. Guys, maintain silence. Just like yesterday. Hello guys, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. Today's day is kind of boring. Went to temple in the morning, then then I was watching a new series. It's been a while I watched. Previously I had watched that's Squid Game 2. Personally, what I felt was it was over the hype series because the hype that they created, they didn't live up to it. That's completely my opinion. And yeah, currently I have started watching that Patal Lok. Recently, only on few days back, the season 2 has been released, so I'm watching it in. I just watched first episode, and yeah, it's kinda nice. Earlier, I used to watch so many series, but these days I try not to get involved watching in a series because watching a series is kinda hectic. It's a job, legit job, because once you find a good enough series, you have to finish it, bro. There's no other way around. You can't just watch one episode today and come back 1 month later. Yeah, you gotta finish it in a go. You gotta finish it in a go. That's the main reason I don't start watching any series, because it consumes much of a time. But yeah, and yeah, it's quite sunny out here. Sunny summer. Let's see. I'll go for the walk in the evening as usual, as daily. Yeah, lift some weights. And I'll go and watch episode 2. Hello guys, good evening. I'm about to go for a walk now. I'm feeling very strong craving to smoke, but I don't have any money. I'll go for a walk for at least 1.5 hours. This day is kind of boring. Not just boring, but super boring. Oh my god, sorry guys, I was evaded. Yeah, since today only I was so bored, feeling so bored. I have nothing to do. I have no job, guys. I'm literally unemployed. I'm ashamed. I gotta get some work this week only. At least to manage my own expenses. Be it legal, illegal, I don't fucking care, man. Money is money. Money, there's nothing written on the money that we earn. This is the way that this money has been earned by. Yeah. So, because it's high time, because I don't have 10 rupees for buy smoke from me. Like, look at this view. Just look at this view. Just look at the view from my terrace. Isn't it so soothing, man? You don't even have to go to anywhere to chill. I have old terrace too. Obviously, my parents. I'll go for a walk there, our regular road, and I will see you guys. Till then, yeah. Talking about work, I need to find some work. We'll see you on the road where we will walk. Good evening, guys. This is the road. See the empty road. People will be walking here. Yeah, it's nice. And me here walking. Let me finish my walk. I'll walk for another 1.5 hours till 7:30, 7:45 ish. Yeah, I'm feeling okay right now. Walking is meditative for me, and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying my new lifestyle. Yeah, it's pretty basic, but yeah, it's necessary for my current state of mind, for my current well-being. Yeah, I'll keep on staying positive and consistent, most important. Because yeah, that's what matters the most. Yeah, you can see. I'll show you a bridge. This is the bridge, guys. See, this is the new highway. That's you can see. Guys, I'm not very good at videographing. Still, I'm managing it somehow. All what I can do is just record, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty okay right now. Yeah, I was craving a cigarette, but yeah, I think I'm gonna smoke one right now in a while. Of course, I will show it to you because it's raw and real, guys. Because fuck what they say. Nobody's giving me any. I'm gonna do whatever shit I am gonna do. I'll be fearless, which I already am, I guess. Yeah, I will stop giving a fuck because it's high time. I'm already 30 by now. I'm in my early 30s already, so there's no point wasting my life, remaining life, in caring what other people think about me. So let them think, let them do whatever the shit they want to do. Yeah, that is it. People will look at me. People sometimes what I really feel, people be clearly ignoring me. They just look at me. They look at me. People be looking at me and some people just look at me and they clearly ignore me, which I'm getting comfortable about. I am not looking at camera because I'm looking at the road. Y'all people be in survival mode. So that's the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people are walking on that other side of the road. And this motherfucker, psychopath, sociopath, walking on another side of the road, which clearly don't give a fuck about what other people think about him. Main thing, I'm starting doing this as comparing to my very first day and today, it's only 4 days. Yeah, still it feels like I'm doing it for years. But yeah, I'm enjoying the process. Yeah, it feels like I'm becoming more and more comfortable while talking to an unknown entity. Non-living entity, which is called camera, phone. Everybody hides it. There's no point getting jealous or all we can. I just read one thing. So money is just a vibration, it's an energy. Money is just like any other emotion. So you gotta tune into that frequency. We all are energy. So never be in a state of never be in a state of scarcity with anything in life. Have abundance mindset. And yeah, that's it. That's enough knowledge shit. Whatever you can want to call it. I need to walk now because I'm getting. It's about to 7 p.m. I'm still walking. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, it's very dark right now. Yesterday what happened was while I was walking, I saw a snake. I was going to sit. Yeah, thankfully, thanks to the phone. So as it's dark now, I'm being pretty careful while I'm walking because there's more to life than dying at 28. Obviously, I have so much to live life. What's up? And yeah, I'll be consistent as I can be with the process, with the client, with everything. And I will not give a fuck about what people might say. Yeah, let's walk for another 30 minutes and then let's go home. Yeah, about the series, yeah, it's a nice series, Patalok. You guys should check it out if you have watched season 1. But yeah, that's guy from Hathoda from the season 1 is no more in the season 2. But yeah, Starcast, the police, I don't know the name of that policeman, but yeah. The main reason when I choose to watch a series is based upon the actors. If the actors are close to my heart, means if I like watching their work, then I pick up that series to watch, binge, whatever you can call. And yeah, look, I'm done for the day. I have 7 more episodes to finish that I will try to finish by tonight. And yeah, let it this vlog and yeah. Hello guys, good evening. Let's do our daily shit. Let's walk, see the scene first wherein I'm walking. Yeah. So let's talk about something. Yeah, let's talk about discipline, consistency. Few minutes ago, last hour ago, I was in a call with one of my schoolmate. He's a graphic designer by profession. He's an artist basically. So yeah, we were talking for a while and there was a lot of things that we had in common. Means we had the same level of mentality about the basic things of life. Not too basic actually, but yeah, I had a talk with him. It was nice. We exchanged more than enough things, shared some thoughts, basically how we see life and what aspects of life we should focus on and grow in life. That's what we talked about. And yeah, I'm walking again. It's my third walk of the day. Yeah, because no, not third, second. Yeah, it's for guys. So what I was saying is, yeah, whatever shit that we going through, whatever things we do I believe there is a higher energy above us that lets us do the things that we do in our life. It's sounding kind of metamorphical, kind of boring also, but yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, last year I was at my worst stage. At this time, I would be either dead, not literally. I would be drunk heavily, and I would be laying on the terrace of my home in the shit place. I don't even used to eat food. All what I used to do was just to smoke and drink. And yeah, that was my life back then. But now I am taking control, I'm being in charge of the life that I will lead, I will live, because it's only one life, baby. And it's not like it's a wrong thing that we all have only one life. One life is enough to do all the shit that you ever wanted to do in your life. There's nothing in life that you can't do, guys. And yeah, that's what I tell myself, that there's nothing that I can't do. If there is ever a man that has done it, you can see a dream, you can live it, and everything is achievable, guys. As I always say, think unthinkable, because if you can't even think, what can you even do? Before doing, you gotta think first, right? First you see the things here, then you make it into existence, make it into universe. And what I experience is the way our thoughts, our energy, our aura is, the universe itself throws us the thing in front of us which are absolutely necessary for that phases of our life. Talking about my day, till afternoon I was feeling very bored. I was not feeling it. I was not feeling the day. I was getting bored. So in the afternoon I took a nap. That nap lasted more than half an hour. Yeah, I felt nice after when I wake up. I watched 3 episodes of Patal Lok season 2. It's a nice series. You guys should check it out if you are into criminal kind of series and all. Yeah, it's entertaining. It's all series only. It's all fictional. Maybe some of it might be true, because fiction is also real if you think about it. Yeah, that's about the series. Yeah, in the evening I went for a walk, and yeah, walking is kind of meditative for me. I don't know, but guys, holding the phone this way, it's kind of hurting my hand. And yeah, still I'm doing it. I'm getting used to the fact that how this vlogging shit works. Yeah, it's kind of okay. I want to actually change my phone, but my left hand is kind of here in the shoulder, it's paining. Oh my god, it's hurting a lot. I'll try to wrap it up. And yeah, it was pretty awesome day, as always. Talking about smoke, I have reduced it to way lesser. I am not smoking more than 10 cigarettes since past couple of days, and I'll keep on doing the same, because yeah, smoke does nothing but damages our serenity, lungs, and breathe, everything. I'm taking good care of my health, my mental health, my physical health, in every aspect. I'm becoming more and more conscious about everything. Communication skill, I can feel the difference the way I was talking in my first day, and this is 4th day, not so far. But yeah, all what I'm focusing on is being consistent, confident. The things will get the right place. You just gotta be able to put in the efforts. You just have to show up every day. You gotta have to show up every day. Forget about the results. Those will come up. Don't be too attached with the results. Not with anything. Even if, guys. Yeah, that's it for the day, guys. And yeah, I'll watch the remaining part of the series, Patal Lok, till midnight, and then I'll wrap up for the day. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, peace out.